got a Sugar School shirt? All right. Oh, Mia, that's awesome.
Oh, that's awesome. I think Mommy wish she had it.
I do. I just wasn't going to say it. That was in your stocking?
No, they started on the real presents.
Okay.
Hey, it's a squishy thing.
Huh.
What's that, AJ?
It's a squishy monster thing. I got a different one. Different ways.
Turn it around. Oh, that's really cool. That'll be nice for school, won't it?
Yeah. I can wear... Oh, I know what would be good.
What?
I can wear this. I can wear that dress under it. It does!
That would
Wow.
make a great outfit.
Oh, cool.
Mom, watch this. This will make you out.
Oh, Mia